Did you know that Spain has the highest number of bars per inhabitant in the entire world? Yes, you heard it right. This fascinating country, known for its vibrant culture, delicious food, and legendary fiestas, also holds this intriguing record. Spain's rich history is as diverse as the land itself. It is a tale of empires, invasions, and cultural exchanges. The Iberian Peninsula, home to modern-day Spain, has seen the rise and fall of many civilizations. From the ancient Celts and Iberians to the magnificent Roman Empire, each has left its indelible mark on the land and its people. The Visigoths, a Germanic people, seized control after the fall of the Roman Empire. Their reign, however, was short-lived. In the 8th century, the Moors, a Muslim group from North Africa, invaded and ruled for almost 8 centuries. This period, known as the Al-Andalus, was a golden age of learning and culture. The Moors' influence is still visible today, especially in the magnificent architecture of cities like Granada and Cordoba. Spain's Middle Ages saw the Christian Reconquista, a centuries-long effort to reclaim the Iberian Peninsula. By the end of the 15th century, the last Moorish kingdom, Granada, fell to the Catholic monarchs, Queen Isabella of Castile, and King Ferdinand of Aragon. Their reign marked the dawn of Spain's golden age. The discovery of the New World in the late 15th century transformed Spain into a global superpower. The wealth from the Americas funded numerous wars and expansive royal palaces. Yet, it also led to economic instability and eventual decline. In the 20th century, Spain experienced a brutal civil war and a long dictatorship under General Francisco Franco. Since his death in 1975, Spain has become a modern, democratic nation and a popular tourist destination. So, what have we learned about Spain? Its history is a rich tapestry of different civilizations and cultures. The country's past tells a story of empires, invasions, and cultural exchanges, from the ancient Celts and Iberians, the grandeur of the Roman Empire, the intellectual and cultural prosperity of the Moorish era, to the Christian Reconquista and the golden age of exploration. The economic instability brought about by the wealth of the New World, the turmoil of the 20th century civil war and dictatorship, and its transformation into a modern democratic nation, all contribute to the Spain we know and love today. Indeed, Spain's history is as vibrant as its people, as diverse as its landscapes, and as fascinating as its highest number of bars per inhabitant fact. It is a country that has been shaped by its past, yet never defined by it. It is a country that invites you to explore, to discover, and to immerse yourself in its rich and storied history. So next time you find yourself in one of Spain's many bars, remember, you're not just in a country with a fascinating record, you're in a place with a history as rich as the wine in your glass.